Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the bright white, and I really do love the color. You do have the bug deflector up front here with your halogen headlights there. And you do got your fog lights just over there and your tow hooks as well right there. And coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with BF Goodrich tires. Still tons of tread left on them, and those rims look fantastic. You also have the Sport logo there, as well as the Wrangler Unlimited. And you do have heated exterior mirrors right there in the black as well. And coming all the way down around to the back in the true Wrangler fashion, you got your spare tire right on the back there. Now we got some tow hooks just on the bottom, and you can just open this guy up like this, lift it up. Looks great back here, very soft. You got a mat back here. You can lift this guy up right here just like this. There's a little bit of additional storage under there. You also have your Alpine speaker right here and your roll cage up and around. If you did take the top off, then you won't be getting hurt if you're back here with the top off, of course. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have your handle right here. Oh, it bounces back a little bit. You got your handle here, you have your lock and unlock here. Got a bit of additional storage in here with this stretchy guy, as well as a handle here. Lots of room in here, very spacious. These seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice. As well, you got your controls over your seat here to lean it back and put it up. And then right here, we do have the controls of our lights. We have our turning signals, high beams, as well as our fog lights and our low beams and daytime running lights as well. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We can switch that guy in the middle there around a little bit to our digital speedometer. We also have our average liters. We have our liters till empty. We got our tire pressure. We have a timer. We also have our vehicle info units, the system, personal settings, and then back to your direction you're facing and the temperature outside. That is control from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side right there. And then around the back of the steering wheel right here, we have volume up and down, as well as the source changer and a channel changer on the other side. Right here, we do also have the controls over our windshield wipers and our rear windshield wiper. And then in the center here, we do have our radio, so we do have our seek options up here, as well as our voice recognition, our call out button, our info, rewind, and fast forward. This guy here is your CD player, your eject, and your time. Volume up and down, as well as your off. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Then you also have your disc and aux cord plug in there. You have some presets down here, your setup, your music, and your list, as well as your channel changer there and your aux cords right there. You have these guys, which I really actually love. You can pretty much blow the air wherever you might want to, which is a very nice thing. You have your windows here and your window lock. And then right down here, we do have our climate controls, so power up and down, circulation, AC, and heat. And then over here, we do also have where it's going to blow out, plus our defrost. Window control, mirror controls up here. You have your traction control, your downhill park assist, and your hazard lights right there. Got a little plug-in over there. Got some additional storage right here and here. And then this guy is the control over our 4-wheel, our 2-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. All hanging out right there. It looks very nice. Then you also have your gear shift, just like that. Your parking brake here. And some additional your cup holders right here. And then we also have our armrest, which is locking. And it is dual layer, so you got your top layer there and your bottom layer there. There is 2 different buttons you press for that. And in there you do also have a USB plug-in right here and a plug-in right there as well. And coming all the way over here, we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look back here now. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, you do have your handle and your lock, as well as a handle here, and that same stretchy material to put some stuff in there. You got lots of room back here, easily seating 5 people, which you can sit back here. You have your controls over your windows here and some cup holders. And then if you did want, you can fold this forward just like this, so you can put a little bit of extra stuff in the back if you did want to. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2014 Jeep Unlimited Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.